Good morning, class. Today we're working on Reader's Notebook, Lesson 11, pages 165 and 166. Today we're going to be talking about pronoun and antecedent agreement and correlative conjunctions. We've been reviewing pronouns all week, and we know that a pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun. Okay, we're learning about antecedents today, and an antecedent is the word that the pronoun replaces or refers to. So a pronoun and its antecedent must agree in number and gender. So for example, if I were to be talking about my son MacArthur, I could not say MacArthur loves to ride his bike. She is 8 years old. Because I have MacArthur, who you guys know is my son, and I said she. So those don't agree in gender. So if I'm referring to a man, I would have to say he, or if I were referring to a female, I would say she. If it's a singular noun, meaning one, then your pronoun also has to be singular, your antecedent, and as well, if it is plural, then it has to be a plural antecedent. Thing to remember is the antecedent is the noun that's being replaced by the pronoun. In our activity today, you're going to underline the pronoun and circle the antecedent in each. So remember, the antecedent is the person's name, okay, or the noun, and the pronoun, okay, is what is replacing it. So if we look at number one, it says Joshua said he would dim the lights from backstage. Well, we have to underline the pronoun, and that's he, right? And he is replacing or referring to the antecedent, Joshua. All right, let's look at number 2 for practice again. Mary turned on the flashlight, but it did not work. Well, the pronoun here is it, because I know a lot of you are going to want to say that the antecedent is Mary, but the pronoun is it there, so it is referring to the flashlight. So the antecedent, or the noun for this one, is flashlight. You're going to go ahead and continue on and finish 3 through 6 on your own. And you can go ahead and pause the video and finish those up and then hit play when you're ready. We're also going to talk about correlative conjunctions, and we've done conjunction work all year long. And a correlative conjunction, okay, conjunction that's used in pairs, okay? They connect two parallel parts of a sentence, such as nouns or adjectives or clauses. And we've done this before, but it's things like either or, neither nor, not only but also, and there's actually a little list of them right here on your page that you can refer to. Our activity here is to fill in the blanks with one of the pairs above. So choose a pair of correlative conjunctions from the word box to complete the sentence. Okay, number 1 says, the rough water of the river blank rolled the boat from side to side, blank pitched it back and forth. So it probably is pitching it and rolling it from side to side. So we need something that's going to connect those two. And it's going to be both and. So the rough water of the river both, B-O-T-H, rolled the boat from side to side and pitched it back and forth. And so you've used both and. Okay, number 2, the men worried that the boats would blank capsize, blank break apart before they reached the other side. So one of those two things is going to happen, right? So the men worried that the boats would either capsize or break apart before they reach the other side. So you're going to write either, E-I-T-H-E-R, or, O-R, either or. The men worried the boats would either capsize or break apart before they reached the other side. So you just got to figure out which set of correlative conjunctions, which pair works best in the sentence. You're going to go ahead and complete numbers 3, 4, and 5 on your own. Today, when you've finished with your correlative conjunctions and your pronoun antecedent agreement, please make sure you take a picture of your work, attach it to your assignment, and turn it in on Teams. Thank you.